forum like AI Foundry that bridges the gap between the experienced AI engineers. In the AI Foundry program, we are also inviting fresh college grads who comes with new ideas.
AI Foundry is basically just to introduce them to this beautiful services that we are providing and the kind of problem statement that we are solving. I mean, the excitement, you can see the energy inside the room, it's great.
While building an agent, it needs lots of code. But using this app, we can build our agent within by answering some questions, giving our use cases.
One important lesson that Tredence was trying to tell today is not everything is about just tech. This industry is rapidly changing, but you have to look at it from a business perspective as well.
We started with Bangalore and a lot of learnings. Chennai was an experiment because we were not too sure how it will be, right? We wanted to pick that city as a completely different city. Hyderabad was scale. We actually did something specific to one of our customers. Again, 100 plus people, it worked. So with Kolkata, we came in with a lot of confidence. Confidence has significantly increased and we have a few more cities to cover possibly this year.